Where do you see yourself in next 10 years?
I would want to be a wellness coach. I would want to like be able to hold at least like 2 to 3 retreats per month in the next 10 years. I'd prefer to live in an apartment with my significant other, and I would also want to have a dog. And I think I'd have like one child at least, at
Okay.
least. But yeah, that's my 10-year goal plan that I see.
So when you say you would want to become a wellness coach and hold retreats and all of that, so that means like you see yourself being very wealthy, right?
Think I would say that I'd be wealthy. Yes.
Suppose one day you just like suddenly pass away.
Okay.
What
Wow,
will-
that's sad.
I mean, yeah, but like in unfortunate events, because life is unpredictable,
Okay.
right? So one day you pass away, like how do you want your wealth to be taken care of?
So my wealth, I think since I have a kid, it would probably go to the kid because that is the only thing that makes sense. Oh, I'd definitely give like some of my wealth to like a dog shelter or something.
And then what about your dog, like the imaginary pet that you would
The
have?
imaginary pet. I mean, that dog is being taken care of by my kid, so I don't have to worry about that.
But you know, if you make a will, right,
Uh-huh.
a succession will, so you can basically write off some wealth to your dog as well.
As well?
Yeah, you can
No
make
way.
sure that your dog is being taken care of when you are not there, and you can like set a separate like amount of
the
wealth
dog.
for the dog as well.
Wow, that's so cool. So how do you do this? How do you?
So you can basically make a will. So will is a written legal document where you make sure you write all your like you state all your property and you write the instructions like for
To be
whom,
followed,
yeah,
yes, once.
to whom does it go and all of
Okay.
that. So you can do it offline, go to a lawyer and go through like the whole lengthy process, or you can do it online. There are many platforms which are like doing wills online, like Asan Will and like many more. So you can do it online as well, which is like less hassle and you can just get it done sitting at your home.
I think I'd recommend my mom to get it done online. I mean, she does have a lot of time left, but I want to be safe.